Tired of digging through Klaviyo settings just to add one contact? Add a new profile to your list in under 2 minutes. First, we'll create a target list, then fill in the contact's details, and finally, save the profile. Let's walk through it. First, go ahead and click on Audience in the left-hand navigation menu to open up your Contacts area. Then click on Lists and Segments from the drop-down that appears, so you can manage all your existing lists and segments. Now, locate the Create button on the page and click it to start building something new. From the menu that pops up, choose List to create a brand new list for your contacts. A form will appear where you can type in the list name you want to use. Once you've entered the name, click the Create List button to bring your list to life. With your list created, click the Add Profile button to start adding a contact to it. In the Profile panel, start by entering the contact's first name in the first field. Then move on down to the last name field and enter their last name there. Next, go ahead and add a title for this person in the Title field. And then add the organization they're part of if you have that information. Now, go ahead and type the contact's phone number into the dedicated phone number field. Finally, click the Add Profile button to save everything, and that's how you manually add a contact. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.